Hey, good morning, astronomy students. Today is Wednesday, October 7th. I'm going to talk to you quick about what we're doing today. I'm going to scroll down to week 6, and I'm going to go to day 2. So you've got your daily attendance. Make sure you're working through that. And then we've got today's tasks. So when you click on today's tasks, here is the plan. Today is a day to finish things up. So read through this, kind of talks about what we've been doing the past couple of weeks. So you kind of have 3 things to think about. Number 1, submit your NASA mission research project. Remember, this isn't something where we're getting in the real nitty gritty details of each of these missions. It's sort of a broad overview. What are they trying to do? Describe what that mission was in 3 sentences, and that's it. So make sure you get that done, submit it. Number 2, do you have anything from the rest of the unit, any assignments that are sitting out there? So we did the history of rockets article. We did the optical telescope drawings. We did telescope types matching. And then I want you to review the notes, go through that one more time. So make sure those 3 assignments, as well as the NASA one, make sure these 3 are finished and turned in, submitted. And then do you have anything else from last unit? Go back and check. Anything that's missing, all that is doing is bringing your grade down. So if it gets turned in and submitted, your grade goes up. And that's kind of what we're looking for here. So make sure those get in, make sure they get done. As always, ask if you have any questions. Send me an email. You should have my Google Voice number. I literally sit here Wednesdays. I go to some meetings, but I also sit here waiting for your questions, and I rarely get it, so ask the questions. Finally, homework for this evening. All of you saw my really awesome International Space Station video. If you were in hybrid, we saw it in the classroom. If you were not in hybrid, you saw it on your own, I guess. So now you get to see it in person. So at 6:53 tonight, get yourself outside, plan it out a little bit. If you have huge trees to the south, it's not going to work. So get yourself to an open area where you can look south. At 6:55, that's when the International Space Station is going to start to appear. Now, I'm pretty sure the way my app on my phone works is because that's saying 6:55, but at that time, like if you're in a wide open space and can see the horizon, that's when it would work. So in the Twin Cities is not a great spot to see it right at 6:55. So the way I saw it is a few minutes after the original time. So maybe about 6:58, something like that. When you're looking south, you should be able to see a very, very bright satellite passing over. Again, it's to the south, so the one a couple days ago was straight overhead, just due like at your zenith. Remember that word? This one's going to be much farther south, but take a look. It does take a short amount of time, 2.5 minutes at the most, to appear and then disappear. See if you can see that tiny, tiny little satellite that's trailing it. It's be about 10 degrees, so the size of your fist. It's trailing it by about that much. So do your homework. We'll talk tomorrow. We will have our synchronous class time tomorrow, not on Friday. All right? Questions? Let me know. Have a great day.